How you unlock the memory on your LG OLED C5 and thus gain more performance, you will find out in today's video. This is the LG OLED C5 and it has a great function how you can unlock the memory and thus gain more performance again, i.e. more power. You should do this at regular intervals. This is definitely recommended, because here unnecessary apps are deleted, the cache and the memory and much more. And you can find this point in the settings, and if you are here, go back to the gear again and then you actually have to go to this point here, which is called support, then to the right and now you see memory optimization here. Here you can see at the same time what this does. It optimizes the TV status by deleting unused apps and releasing stored memory. That means we go in here and then we say start here. It only takes a few seconds and the memory optimization has already been completed here. That means apps that are not needed are automatically removed here. At the same time, the memory is released here. Otherwise, the whole thing blocks you. Do you have any questions about this tutorial? Use the comment function. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.